Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another super simple side table DIY project. Let's get started. For this project, I'm going to use the Dollar Tree 9 inches mirror frame. I have collected 12 frames from previous projects, which I only used the mirror. Those frames are made of hard plastic. Size-wise, they are 9 inches in diameter. Next step, I want to show you how I made the first layer of the base. Basically, I grabbed 6 frames and evenly arranged them in a circle pattern, and then used a strong cable tie to tie them together. As you can see in the video, it is pretty simple to do. You just want to make sure you have to tie them really tight. So I used the same technique, prepared the second one, which will be the second layer of the base. To connect 2 layers together, I used the cable tie again. It works pretty well. You can also consider use strong adhesive to glue 2 pieces together as well. To me, as long as you really tighten them up, the base actually is pretty stable. And then I spray painted in gold color. As you can see in the video, one side of the frame is pretty smooth and the other side has imperfections. So I decided to use the small craft mirror to cover those imperfections. The last step is to secure a glass top on the top of the base. It's all done. Now let's check out the final product. I'm very happy to see those Dollar Tree mirror frame could turn out such a beautiful side table. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on this DIY project. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.